Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
Good afternoon, Mr.
Good afternoon, Mr. I'm good.
Good, sir.
How about you?
I'm good. And before we start our learning, I will check your attendance list. Aulia,
Listen.
Noneng,
Present, sir.
Iko.
Present, Mr.
Like today, everything is coming in well. Very good. Previously, do you still remember what is a comment and prohibition?
Mister.
Ya, Noneng.
Komen yaitu memberitahu seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu, sedangkan prohibition yaitu larangan seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu, memberitahu seseorang untuk tidak melakukan sesuatu.
Excellent, Noneng. And next slide is
Mister.
and comments and prohibition. The first picture, there is a teacher instruction a student. That is a comments. And the second picture, there is a hamburger and beverage. And I can say this no eating on or don't eat. So that is a prohibition. Comments are expression used to tell someone to do something. Jadi comments ini adalah perintah untuk memerintahkan seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. There is two comments. Yang pertama adalah verbal commands, and the second is nominal commands. The formula verbal commands use a verb. So the example is get out, stand up, close the door. And the second is the nominal commands. The formula is be plus adjective. The example is be silent, be diligent, be careful. And then is a prohibition. Prohibition is used to warn someone not to do something or forbid someone not to do something. There is two prohibition. The first is verbal and the second is nominal prohibition. Verbal prohibition, the formula is don't plus verb. The example is don't cry, don't sleep in the class, don't follow me. It's a don't plus cry. Cry is the verb. And nominal prohibition, the formula is don't plus be plus adjective or adverb. The example is don't be lazy, don't be late, don't be angry. So don't plus be plus lazy. Lazy is adjective. I have the video and you can see it, and then you explain about the video.
Sorry, man. I come late.
All right. You can join the class, but you must not come late anymore.
Thank you so much, man.
And after you see the video, what the context of the video?
Mister.
Ya, Noneng.
I think the video is that prohibition because the teacher say don't be late.
Excellent, Noneng. And the next slide is I have a test, and there is a many picture, and I want you to explain about the picture. Aulia, explain about the picture number 5.
The picture number 5 is a prohibition to don't sleep in the class.
Good job, Aulia. And then Nico, the picture number 2, please explain.
The picture number 2 is comment to raise your hands.
Excellent. Now, as you have seen, They are often around us, and you have to clearly understand the difference between commands and prohibition. And do you have any question?
No,
No, Mr.
Mister. No,
No,
Mister.
Or do you have any feedback for today?
I
Yeah.
I understand of the difference between commands and prohibition, and the explanation is very clear. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Aulia. And I will provide exercises in Google Classroom, and you can check it and do it the exercise. Deadline in 1 week. And if you want to ask something, you can chat in the group WhatsApp. Well, I will close learning today. I hope you do it by yourself, and I hope you stay healthy and keep learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you, sir.
warahmatullahi
Thank you,
wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Mister.
Thank you,
Mister.
sir.
Stay healthy.